What's up, everyone? If you're looking to start a business in Georgia, one of the first steps is setting up an LLC. And in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, I'm not a legal expert, so I'll keep things simple and go over two ways to do this. You can either handle everything yourself or use a business formation service to take care of it for you. I personally use Tailor brands because they make the whole process quick and hassle-free. So if you're looking to set up an LLC in Georgia, you're in the right place, and I'm excited to help you out. And if at any point in this video you want to check out Tailor brands, I've got an affiliate link in the description below that gives you a discount that you won't find on their website. Now, let's get started. So what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, it's a limited liability company. It's a flexible business structure that gives you protection from personal liability. When you form an LLC, you're creating a separate legal entity for your business. This means your personal assets are kept separate from any debts or legal issues your business may face. So if your LLC runs into any problems, your personal belongings should be safe. Now, LLCs also offer flexibility in how you manage the business, your tax options, the ability to have multiple owners or members who can share in the profits and losses. These benefits make LLCs a popular choice for both new and established business owners. So first things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't already been taken or similar to another business's. Checking out the Georgia's trade name search from the Secretary of State office is a good place to look, or a Google search would work too. When it comes to naming your LLC, Georgia has a few requirements. Of course, the name needs to be unique. Even similar sounding names should be avoided. It shouldn't be named in a way that may confuse the business with, say, a government agency. And the name must have limited liability company either spelled out or abbreviated at the end of the business name. Now, the next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to kind of be the middleman for important legal documents for the business. You can act as a registered agent for the business, or there are services available who can take care of this for you. Whichever route you decide to go, the agent must be a resident or authorized to do business in Georgia and be available during state business hours. If all the members work full-time outside of the business, fulfilling those duties in-house may get tricky, so definitely consider all of your options. Now, we can actually move on to creating the LLC. Georgia does this by officially filing the articles of organization with the state. You can do this online, by mail, or in person. Some of the questions they'll ask are the name, the effective date of the LLC, and the signature from the organizer, member or manager, or attorney. You can choose a start date for your LLC within 90 days, or it can start once the paperwork is processed. It's really up to you. State fees are due when you apply. If you're filing online through the Secretary of State's Corporations Division, it costs $100. If you choose to mail it in or pay in person, it's $110. The fastest way to get it processed is online, which takes about 7 business days. By mail, of course, it will take longer. This will take around 15 business days. If you need it done even faster, you can pay an extra fee for rush processing. The next step is to create your own operating agreement. While Georgia doesn't require LLCs to have one, it's a good idea to have one in place to keep everyone on the same page. Even in a single member LLC, it's still better to have one than to not have one. Think of it as a blueprint for your business. The agreement itself should have the breakdown in ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are divided, what happens in the event of disputes in the business, and what happens if a member wants to leave or terminate the LLC altogether. Now, these documents are often called living agreements, meaning they can and should be changed at any time to show any changes in the LLC as it evolves and grows. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. LLC owners are responsible for federal and state taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the businesses itself, they're not responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to you, the owner or owners. So all income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's personal tax returns. Along with these taxes, be sure to be prepared for self-employment, sales, and payroll taxes if you plan to have employees. Now, along with taxes, LLCs in Georgia have to file annual reports as well. These filings are due April 1st each year. The fee from 2024 is $50 if it's paid online, or $60 if you file by mail. You can file in advance for up to 3 consecutive years, which is kind of nice. You'll get confirmation of renewal by email if you file online, or by mail if you mailed your paperwork. Now, if going through all of these steps on you sounds like a lot, there is a much easier way to get this all done. Personally, I don't have enough time to get it all done, and I most certainly would forget something, which is why I chose Tailor Brands to form my business for me. So if you're short on time, if you don't feel like you have the expertise to handle the paperwork, or you just don't feel like dealing with it all, then there's an easier way, which is using a business formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Now, personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best business formation services out there, especially for first-time business owners, because they take care of everything for you. Now, saying that, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I've also tried, such as Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift Filing. So if you want to learn a little bit more about them, I'll go ahead and I'll leave some review videos down in the description for you to go check out. So what's the benefit of using Tailor Brands? Well, they have an AI-powered platform that offers hands-on support for small business owners, and that support doesn't stop once your business is formed. They provide services like website building, compliance, and bookkeeping, in addition to their LLC formation services. You can either get everything through a yearly subscription or pick individual services as you need them. Now, let's walk through the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you'll find a Choose Your States field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Georgia. After that, click on Get Started. Then you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC. Now, for the next step, you'll answer some simple questions. These questions help Tailor Brands understand your business and what you need. They'll ask you things like, where are you going to run your business? What products or services you'll offer? How you'll deliver those services? If you plan to have employees, and what stage your business is actually in. You'll also be able to select things you might need help with, like business licenses, websites, or logos. Don't worry, making these choices doesn't mean you're signing up for anything just yet. It's just to help Tailor Brands know what services could be useful for your business. They'll also give you a checklist to mark off tasks you've already completed. Then, you'll have the option to choose a few services to help make running your business easier, like getting your EIN, setting up an operating agreement, and having Tailor Brands act as your LLC's registered agent. They can also send you compliance reminders, providing a branding toolkit, and even help with invoicing and bookkeeping. If you're in a hurry, you can also upgrade to get faster processing. Now, the last thing you'll need to choose is your plan with Tailor Brands. There's 3 that they offer, ranging from semi-do-it-yourself to Tailor Brands doing it all for you, including offering you their marketing resources. Their plans really are tailored to every budget and everyone's needs. Once your application is processed, Tailor Brands will submit your application to the state for you. So, as you can see, the process doesn't have to be overwhelming. By letting Tailor Brands handle all of the hard work for you, you can have peace of mind that everything is being handled correctly and you have more time to focus on your business. So that wraps up both ways to set up an LLC in Georgia. Personally, I think Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up your LLC. The process is quick and easy to follow. Plus, they offer extra services like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards, which makes them more than just a formation service. It's a complete resource for anyone looking for those tools, unlike other sites that only handle registration. The prices are also pretty reasonable, especially when you think about the time and stress you're going to save. I would definitely recommend Tailor Brands to anyone starting a new business, especially if, like me, you want help with everything from incorporation to branding. If you're looking for a fast, seamless startup process where all you need is your business name, then Tailor Brands has got you covered. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you learned something today. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the link in the description to get a discount you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. And as always, I love hearing from you guys, so please drop your thoughts and questions down in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.